Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use green screen on CapCut. So guys, let's start it. So at first tap on overlay. Now tap on add overlay. Now select the green screen video. Tap on add. Now adjust the green video all over the clip. Like this. And tap on cutout. Tap on chroma key. Now select the green color. Tap on intensity. Now put the intensity all the way up. Now go back and play the video. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.